Welcome back. This video means supplementary for today's online class. Okay, today I have discussed about trigonometry. Okay, trigonometrical ratios. What do you mean by trigonometry? What do you mean by trigonometrical ratios? So you have to watch this video till end. 17 trigonometrical ratios. Trigonometrical ratio. The word trigonometry has come from or derived from Greek. Tri means three, gon means sides, metron means measures. So earlier the astronomers are used to trigonometry to find the distance of the planets and stars from the earth. Now also we are using to find out the distance from scientists are maximum using trigonometry to find out the distance from earth to star and planet. Write down. Therefore, trigonometry is the study of relationship between the sides and angle of a triangle. Write down this point. Yes, therefore in this chapter we will study some ratios of the side of a right triangle with respect to the acute angle with respect to acute angle. Let it be theta called trigonometrical ratios of the angle and establish some relationship between different trigonometrical ratios. So this is 90 degree and this acute angle, we are imaginary angle given theta. So opposite of right triangle always hypotenuse and opposite of theta perpendicular, where the right triangle and theta is creating the down, this part is known as a base. Write down please. So we can write this is hypotenuse, we will represent as a h. Hypotenuse, this is base, this is perpendicular or height, perpendicular. Write down please. Now this given triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree and this is your acute angle, let it be theta. So I can find out sin theta. So sin theta we can write perpendicular by hypotenuse. Here perpendicular by P by H I can write. Cos theta we can write base by hypotenuse, B by H. Tan theta we can write perpendicular by base. It's just reciprocal relation relations of sin theta equal to cosec theta we can write H by P, and reciprocal of cos theta will be sec theta, that is H by B, and reciprocal of tan theta is cot theta, that is B by P. Write down please. From above we can write what? We can write sin theta into cosec theta, it will be 1. Why? Sin theta as we know P by H and cosec theta equal to H by P. H cancel, P cancel, it will be 1. Same as cos theta into sec theta equal to 1. Okay, same we can use. Okay, tan theta into cot theta equal to 1. Write down please. Now quotient relations. As we know, sin theta by cos theta equal to tan theta. This is known as quotient relation. Number 2, cos theta by sin theta equal to cot theta. These are also we can use by as a formula also. Write down. Now square relation. Square relation, as we know, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1 same as 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta, 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta, 1 minus sin square theta equal to, just you take, you can from here you can also means you can derive one formula. Suppose you can take sin square this side, it will come cos square theta equal to 1 plus sin square theta, 1 minus sin square theta, therefore 1 minus sin square theta equal to what? Cos square theta. Same as I can write 1 minus cos square theta equal to sin square theta. 1 2 3 4 5. Number 6 I can write sec square theta minus 1 equal to tan square theta. Number 7 I can write cosec square theta minus 1 equal to cot square theta. Now sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Number 9 can write cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. Write down, these are the important formula. Now question number 1a, according to the figure we have to find out sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta. First of all, here it is given, hypotenuse is given 15 and your base is given 12. By Pythagoras theorem, as we know, h square equal to p square plus b square by Pythagoras theorem. So here hypotenuse is given, what we have to find? P square. So I can write p square equal to h square minus b square. So h square is given, so p equal to what? Under root h square, put the value of h, 15 square minus 12 square equal to 225 minus 144. Therefore p equal to what? 5 minus 4 1 and this is 8. Therefore p equal to 9. Now I get the value of p 9. Now we have to find out sin theta. Sin theta equal to what? As we know, perpendicular by hypotenuse. So our perpendicular p by h, I can write 9 by 15. This is 3, this is 5, it will be 3 by 5. Same we can find out cos theta. Number 2, cos theta. So cos theta equal to base by hypotenuse. Base is given 12 and this is 15. Make it lowest term. 3 4s are 15 and 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. 4 by 5. And number 3, it is given tan theta. So tan theta equal to p by b. Here our p is 9 and b is 12. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, so 3 by 4. This is one answer, this is one answer, this is one answer. From like this only you can find out cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta. Write down please. Now question number 5 solution. It is given tan theta equal to tan A equal to 5 by 12. We have to find out number 1 cos A and number 2 cosec A minus cot A. First of all we have to find out, this is P is given, this is P, this is B. We have to find out H. So H equal to P square plus B square, that is 25 plus 144. So this is 100 under root 169, this is 13. Now number 1 we have to find out cos A. Cos A equal to base by hypotenuse. Our base is, this is 12 and hypotenuse is 13. This is your first answer. And second one we have to find cosec A. Cosec A minus cot A. Cot A. So cosec means opposite of sine, means h by, our h equal to what? Our h has come 13. So 13 by 5, and cot means 12 by opposite of 10, means reciprocal of 10. So it will come 5, and this is 13 minus 1, 1. 13 minus 12, 1. Write down please. Question number 10. It is given tan theta equal to 5 by 12. We have to find out and theta is an acute angle. Find the sin theta and cos theta. First of all, as we know, hypotenuse we have to find out. H equal to P square plus B square, that is 25 plus 144 under root, this is 13. Now sin theta equal to P by H, means 5 by 13, and number 2 cos theta equal to B by H. Our B is what? 12 and H is 13. Write down please. 15. Theta is an acute angle. Tan theta is equal to, given 8 by 15, find sec theta plus cosec theta. First of all, H I can write 8 square plus 15 square, means 64 plus 225, it will be 289, means 17. Okay, now sec theta plus cosec theta. Sec, as we know, opposite of, reciprocal of cos, means this is your P, this is B, this is your H, means H by, means 17 by 15 plus cosec, reciprocal of sine, sec reciprocal of cos, cosec reciprocal of sine, means our P means 17 by 8, it will be what? 120. I can write 17 into 8 plus 17 into 15. Up to here you write down. So this is 17 into 8 means 136, and this is 255 by 120, means 391 by 120. Now find out in a mixed fraction way. So 3 whole, because 360 and down 120, it will be minus, so what? 31 will come. So this is your required answer. Write down. Now see question number 20. It is given that 5 cos A minus 12 sin A equal to 0. It is A, not theta. 5 cos A minus 12 sin a equal to 0. Find the value of sin a plus cos a by 2 cos a minus sin a. First of all, here we have to see 5 cos a equal to 12 sin a. We can change this one as a 10 or cot, depends on you only. So sin a by cos a, sin a by cos a, I can write what? 5 by 12. This implies that sin by cos, as we know, tan a, and this is 5 by 12. Now here p is given, this is p and this is your b. Now write down up here. Now therefore h equal to p square plus b square, p square plus b square equal to, means that is 25 plus 144, that is 169, so 13. So this is your h. Now we have to find out the value of sin a plus cos a by 2 cos a minus sin a. Up to here you write down. So sin a, I can write 5 by 13 plus cos a, I can write 12 by 13. Down I can write what? 2 into 12 by 13 minus 5 by 13, means this is what? 17 by 13, and this is 24 minus 5 by 13. 13 cancel, it will come 17 by 19. This is your required answer. Write down please. Now sub proving 26, question number: cos theta into tan theta equal to sin theta. Number 2, sin theta into cot theta equal to cos theta. Sin square theta by cos theta plus cos theta equal to 1 by cos theta. We have to prove. First one, LHS, I can write cos theta into tan theta, means what? Cos theta equal to I can write tan, I can write sin by cos theta. Cos cancel, this is your sin theta and RHS. Okay. Number 2, LHS is given sin theta into cot theta. Okay, so sin theta, let it be remains same, sin theta, and cot I can write, cot is opposite of what? Cot I can write, cot we can write what? Cos theta by sin theta. Okay, sin cancel, this is your cos theta, this is your right hand side. Number 3, it is given sin square theta LHS, sin square theta by cos theta plus cos theta. I can write what? Cos theta as a LCM, so it will come sin square theta plus cos square theta. As we know sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, so 1 by cos theta. This is your right hand side. Write down please. Now question number 32, it is given simplify under root 1 minus sin square theta by 1 minus cos square theta. As we know, by square relation, 1 minus sin square theta equal to, I can write cos square theta, and 1 minus cos square theta I can write sin square theta. So remove the square, root will be remove also, therefore cos theta by sin theta. Cos theta by sin theta equal to we know that cot theta. This is your required answer. So I hope you understand. Okay, for next chapter stay tuned. Thank you. Have a nice day.